Hello, I'm with Faith right now. We are at Universal to celebrate the 4th of July, which is today. It's a beautiful, hot, sunny day here at Universal. We are very excited to be here. It's been almost 2 months since I've been gone at summer staff, and she went on a trip to Europe. Lots going on, but we're here now. We're ready to have an exciting night. It's 4:17 right now. Fireworks are at 9 tonight. We're gonna get some rides in, probably grab dinner, and then enjoy the festivities. Yay! We're in line for VelociCoaster. We went to Hulk because it was like a 15-minute wait, and then we got there and it was actually delayed. And then this was only a 45-minute, but then we showed up and it was actually delayed. So it's still delayed, but the line honestly looks pretty short. So once it's like not delayed, it's kind of... Bye. Oh well, it didn't go off while I was filming, it's fine.
Scan your ticket at an available station.
Just got off Veloci, now we're going on the trolley in Seussland. We got back row on VelociCoaster. It was low-key a little bit intense, kind of jerky, kind of really bright out. But yeah, we're gonna go on this super fun ride. It's only 5 minutes, so we figured why not? Really exciting. We're leaving Islands right now. We're gonna go to Universal now. Got blue raspberry icy. I feel like it's just a patriotic move for today. I've been craving this for so long. I went to see Top Gun, but they were out of blue raspberry and they were out of cherry, which is typically my backup. So we were gonna, oh my gosh, this is lighting, I can't. We were gonna go to Studios, but then we decided to come get dinner first. So we're at Margaritaville getting nachos. Sorry you can't see a thing. Got water. Staying hydrated in this 90-degree weather. We ate dinner, it was super good. We're in line for Minions. I've only been on this ride once in my life, but decided to go on it because of the new movie, even though I haven't seen the new movie. And then after this, we're gonna go watch the fireworks. It's like 8 o'clock right now.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life and of all perfect ways where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side.
We finished the fireworks. The fireworks lasted like 4 minutes. They were really short actually. Then they sprayed like confetti at the end, and I'm pretty sure a bunch of it got in my bag. But really fun. This part looks so beautiful at night. I'm obsessed. So fun. They have a bunch of stuff blocked off because of like the other fireworks show they do at 9:45. But other one? Yeah, it's like when they regularly do. It's not like 4th of July. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Optimist says hi. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram at Alex__Boynton. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.